This is Cameron, also known as Cam Catch-em-all, and we are playing a new game today called Survive Natural Disaster. So, this is kind of hard because this is the first time I've played Roblox on a phone. So, yeah. So, I play it on my computer sometimes. What's it gonna be? I really actually like when it's the tornado on this map because it just destroys the school. And I really hate the school, so I'm glad that the tornado might be coming. Or maybe it's a sandstorm or something. Oh, blizzard! It's a blizzard! Superman, jeez.
Did you?
No. Does it look like I survived?
Yeah.
No.
It looks like you.
This is hard, so I might just try it on my computer sometime.
But good luck finding us.
Can't do it. Ooh, I love going up here. Here, so let's go up here.
It's pretty pizzas.
Nikki's sorry. My brother, he just loves pizza. He's obsessed with pizza.
Yeah, you got.
All he ever says is pizza.
Pizza, 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 pizza.
See? Whoa!
I got a little
point. Almost killed me.
Do I got a little point, guys?
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
So
kill him.
You should maybe just
subscribe
and like this video. And yeah,
so
we can carry on.
And soon this might be the rest of the video soon.
some fans too that try to subscribe. And this is my first video, by the way.
So,
Well, they don't try subscribing, they just try friending me. I'm gonna try requesting someone. No, not that. I'm gonna try friending.
so
That's me, by the way. I'm gonna try friending.
Can I invite?
Okay, let's see if he wants to.
If any
I'm
of you,
gonna. It might be a tsunami. I don't know.
if any of
It might be a acid rain. And it might be I don't know, blizzard, sandstorm.
could be, or could it be
That guy looks exactly like.
and
Oh shoot, thanks dudes.
nuts.
Oh, acid rain! Acid rain, acid rain. Okay, bye guys.
So.